Article 5 is titled 13 Rules That Expire. It outlines 13 math rules that are taught to elementary students that will no longer be useful by the time they are in middle school. The rules that they learned previously will eventually expire. The grade that the rule expires in is mentioned in the article. The article also goes over the mathematical language that is not precise. Quote 1 reads, "Use keywords to solve word problems." This rule expires for students during the third grade. Many of the mathematical keywords can be used in multiple ways. For example, the term left indicates subtraction. The term altogether indicates addition. As time goes on, the rule to use keywords to help solve word problems expires. As the article states, keywords can be informative, but must be used in conjunction with all other words in the problem to grasp the full meaning. Quote 2 reads, "You cannot take a bigger number from a smaller number." This rule expires for students in the 7th grade. For years, students are doing math mainly with whole numbers. During the middle school years, integers are introduced. This is when the rule is no longer true. Students will start to work with negative numbers and understand how bigger numbers can be taken from smaller numbers. Quote 3 reads, "Multiply everything inside the parentheses by the number outside the parentheses." This rule expires in grade 5. This rule is only true for addition and subtraction. Whether or not the numbers on the inside are added or subtracted first, the outcome will still be the same. This rule no longer applies when multiplication and division are involved. The outcome will only be correct if the equation inside the parentheses is solved first, then multiplied by the number on the outside. Culminating reflection. This article is very interesting. These 13 rules will definitely expire for students as they progress to different grade levels. Certain mathematical keywords will no longer help students solve word problems. Also, using precise vocabulary will help to develop students' understanding with math. As students move up to higher grade levels, math instructions will continually change.